Hey Niagara, are you looking for a new investment opportunity? And I've got an exciting one for you. I'm Ved Bhat with LePage and Realty in Niagara. Let's check out 256 East Main Street. This is really exciting. I'm sure you'll like it. Volcano's Pizzeria in Welland, Ontario is a well-established local favorite with a history dating back to the 1970s. It's known for its commitment to high-quality pizza using secret recipe dough and sauces made fresh daily. For decades, Volcano's has been a beloved fixture in Welland's vibrant food scene, a true local gem with a loyal following for its legendary pizzas. This isn't just a building. It's a turnkey investment. We are talking about over 2,300 square feet of prime commercial space on the main floor, home to the incredibly successful, long-standing Volcano's Pizzeria business. And that's not all. Up top, you'll find an income-generating 3-bedroom, 1-bath apartment adding immense value. The prime location is right on Welland's bustling main street, steps from the beautiful Welland Canal, fantastic restaurants, and all the city's attractions. If you're looking for an investment property and business, this is an excellent opportunity to take over that secret sauce and give it your own flavor. Contact me, Ved Bhat, Realtor at LePage and Realty in Niagara. Come check out 256 East Main Street in Welland.